loves! This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. The past 10 days has zoomed way too fast for my liking, but that can only mean one thing. Welcome to day 10 of the Advent Calendar series. These 12 days of glam have been so special and near and dear to my heart. The Advent Calendar has always been a love project for me, and more so, it is now a Christmas tradition. I can't think of the holiday season without thinking of the 25 days or the 12 days of Madame Glam magic. I never realized how fun an adult Advent calendar could be. Usually these things only got chocolate in them, but the fact that especially this year they have done every single goodie is a full-size item is just insane, and I'm losing it over this frosted crystal. You already know I am obsessed with all things blue, so this made the Blue Charm Sister very happy. What I love about this year as well is that they gave us such a variety of goodies. So not only did we get cream polishes, but we also got rubber base coats and special effect top coats and all sorts of goodies. Now, the moment I saw this blue, all I could think of was the night sky, beautiful tree silhouettes, and tons of snow. Not to mention just snow, but the glittery sparkle of the sky. So, we had to Bob Ross this and just have so much fun to create this stunning night sky. We are making a whole winter wonderland up in here. Now, in a stippling motion with my gradient brush, I am just picking up a little bit of the white UV gel paint, and I am, with an even pressure, starting off with my first layer and then fading it out and then continuing with that so that we can get a variation of opacity. That is going to almost give a fog and snow effect. You get a dual effect with that, and it is so much fun. But again, this is such a fun tutorial because this has elements that are incredibly beginner friendly, but when put together, you get this layered effect that literally makes it look that you can put your hand in the painting. It is incredibly effective, and these colors together, oh, chef's kiss. This blue is everything. One of my favorite polishes when I used to get my nails done at the salon was called Russian Navy, and this frosted crystal is giving all of those vibes. I love the consistency, and just this navy is so beautiful. I can't get over that it was literally the perfect winter sky. And I think, the folks at Madame Glam headquarters, they were thinking the same thing. This is giving me Polar Express, all aboard, baby. We have a stuntin' blue. I have been having so much fun creating different holiday-inspired looks with the goodies from each day of the Advent calendar. And you already know, when we come to day 12, we are going to have to take out all of the goodies and have a conversation about our favorites, the trends of the holidays, and share what holiday looks we cannot live without. I know for me, it would not be a holiday set without snowflakes or peppermints. I go crazy for those peppermint swirls, and I just think once you mat it, it is the most satisfying thing ever. Also, speaking about satisfying things, this special effect top coat, Polka Bunny, yo, you need to grab this before it sells out. This is one of their older releases, and the moment that my nail sister Janelle told me about it, I lost it because this was during the Easter season, so all of the mottled eggs were in, but I never thought of all the different ways that you could apply it, including in unique ways like this. It literally is making the perfect starry night sky, and you did not have to faff with a dotting brush to make it perfect. It's literally already built into this special effect top coat. And when UV light hits it, it glows. It's just so stinking precious. So we had to include that in this set. Now finally, with their ultra liner, I am just dipping into that white gel paint and we're painting the snow on our trees. And literally, you have it. That's the tutorial. If you layer those different steps, you will literally have the most darling Christmas painted sky. Thank you guys so much for coming into today's video. I always say we have the best humans on the internet over here, and I'm just sending you the largest, warmest holiday hugs from my family to yours. I hope you have the happiest holidays, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for all of day 11 fun. And y'all, we only have 2 days left. So if there is a holiday nail art idea that you have not seen yet that you want to, comment down below, because before we blink, this series is going to be over. But don't you worry, because we're going to be taking all these goodies and doing all of the nail art with them. Thank you again, and I can't wait to see you for tomorrow's video. Mwah.